guys, so it's Saturday, so I get a Saturday shift today, just at the farm, and got a couple of jobs to do. So first job is I'm on a 13 tonner at the minute, just tidying up from where the guys put a stone wall up. So I'm just tidying their stuff that they don't need, put it in a hollow at the end of the field on a dumper. Once we've done all this, then I've got to go down the bottom of the field obviously and level it all out. I've got to make sure it's like 300-400 below topsoil level, then I'll put some soil back in. And once we've done that, then I've got to go back over to the farm, push a load of muck up with the machine, and then if I've got enough time, then I'll probably, there's a screener on the farm as well, I might do a little bit of screening if I've got time. But yeah, this machine as well, it's I don't know how old it is, it's nice to drive though. It's like a basic model 13 ton cap, but I really like it. The only downside is it's only got the single pump, so if you're tracking, it hasn't got a lot of power in the tracks as such. But digging, she's alright for digging and that. It's really smooth. I really like it. Yeah, so that's what we got to do. Is the jobs on the farm today. It's nice that I can have that bit of variety as well. So like during the week I go on construction, so driving dozers and whatnot, as you can see in my previous videos. It's nice to have that bit of variety, that I can come and do this, just come on the farm. If I want to do a little bit with livestock, I can do that. Because I used to farm when I was younger. I used to work on a dairy farm, but I stopped because I was working 7 days a week. I wasn't really having time off, and at the time I was only 18, 19, so you can imagine an 18, 19 year old really wants to do a bit of partying in that, or going out with their mates. Yeah, so that's why I stopped, and I've always wanted to get into construction anyway, because I've been brought up with it. My dad's a machine driver, my granddad was a machine driver, so I've always wanted to do it. It's nice as well that the temperature's gone down a little bit. We haven't got that soaring heat anymore, which is quite nice. Obviously I don't particularly want it to rain that much, because the job I'm working on, we're going to be topsoiling it soon, so we don't want really, well, we don't want any rain when we're doing that, because if it rains it just messes the job up. So all the topsoil, it just turns to clumps and that. Don't want that. So yeah, as you can see, so I'm just tidying this up. So that's the wall they put up, which it's amazing that they can still do stuff like that. It's really bloody, that's an art, that is. So I've left that little pile there. They've still got a little bit to do up the wall at the far end there. So we've just got to tidy this bit up behind the digger as well, and then we're tipping down there and got this beaut. up too much because we don't want any stones on this slut, because this gets mowed and then they pick it up with a forager, so we don't want any stones in it. So there's no point putting too much in there for it to just spill out, because then my boss won't be happy with me. I've got to do there is just fill that hollow in down there, tidy all this up along here, so tidy all that up and fill that hollow in down there. See, they still got to do stuff to this wall as well, put the topping bit on. I got a little bit of filling in to do by that gate post as well. Old tractor. But yeah, like I was saying about this machine, it's a basic model, but I really like it. It's dries really, really nice. Take the gloves off. Yeah, sorry about the mess. It's a farming digger, so what do you expect? We're on a farm. But it's so smooth, it's mad. How many hours it's got on it? Probably about 6,000 hours, but it's so smooth. Yeah, like I was saying before, it's nice that I got that variety, so I can just come here and just, well, I'm just on my own, just relax. Get a couple of hours in. It's nice up here. You got a really nice view as well. Like, look at the view on that. And get to come up here. I'm on my own. Get to relax. What more do you want? I think they were doing all the baling over the last couple of days as well. Like I said, I don't want to put too much on there because I don't want it falling off the edges. It's probably a little bit much, but video.